I would describe Southland's internship program to be dynamic,
hands-on,
inviting and motivating,
stimulating, educational,
enriching,
comprehensive.
I would describe the culture of Southland as inclusive, very supportive, and you can definitely tell that the people here are actually friends with each other and not just coworkers.
The company culture here at Southland is very collaborative. Everyone is always super helpful and wanting to help each other out.
I would definitely say the most valuable skill I learned is working with a time crunch, working under pressure.
Being able to intake information and spit it right back out into what I'm doing.
One valuable skill that I learned from being on site is coordination.
Being a part of operations, something that you pick up very quickly is people management and time management.
communication, being able to talk with the guys in the field and doing toolbox talks.
Advice for next year's interns, definitely don't be afraid to ask questions.
To be eager in asking questions and be eager to learn. And I think coming in with that attitude really helps you get the most out of the internship.
Keep an open mind.
To do it and do not hold back. This is definitely where you want to be.